Hello and welcome to another video. Thank you so much for joining us. If you'd like to see these gadget and tech unboxings and reviews, I want you to hit that like button, share the broadcast, and subscribe with the notification bell so you know when new videos are being posted. Today, we're going to be unboxing the TRN V80 audiophile quad driver in-ear monitors, and that's coming up next. All right, so as usual, this is not a sponsored video. I found these on Amazon. I'll put the link below in the description box so you can pick up a pair if you happen to like these. This is going to be a two-part video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be reviewing a series of headphones over the next few videos, and I'm going to be doing two parts. The first part will be the unboxing and the first impressions. The second part will be the actual review of the unit in use, what I thought about the sound, the fit, all of that good stuff. And we'll put those two together so you can get a complete picture of the headphones that we'll be looking at. The one we're going to be looking at today, of course, as I said, is a TRN V80s. These have been out for a while, but from what I understand, these are some nice budget wired headphones. So let's go ahead and take a look at these right now. Gonna unbox them. As you can see, this is from TRN. There's the graphics, the logo, made in China by TRN Audio. All right, let's put that to the side. And what do we get in the box? We have a warranty card. Can you see that? Warranty card. Basically terms and conditions. QR code if you want to learn more about the company. You get what appears to be a quick start guide. Yep, quick start guide. Does it have any English instructions? Yeah, this side is the English instructions. The other side is the Chinese instructions. So basically, you know what to do, how to work it. It says these has a burn-in function, which means I guess after normal listening, they will begin to normalize your listening experience. All right, let's put that to the side. So what else do we have here? Okay, so these are the buds. Look at that nice red color. I got the red color because red is one of my favorite colors, and that's just a popping color. I love that red. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see what else we got in here before I unbox those. Okay, we got packages here. Let's see what we got in the packages. Oh, get out of there. The earbuds themselves. Okay, let's put these out. Okay. That is it. What is this little sticker here? What is this? Okay, this is just it passed the quality inspection card. So there we go. So that's what's in the box. On the back of the box here, you've got an address and an email. A few specs here, which we'll go over later. But that's about it. If you want to contact the company, you are now able to do so through the email or the address. You can write or you can email. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like the cables. All right. Put that there. Okay, so what we got here is a cable. I believe it is about 1.25 meters. The 3.5 millimeter or 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. There we go. Has the TRN logo on it. Love it. All right, let's unravel this. See what we got to work with here. Okay, so we've got, like I said, about a 3-foot cable. Okay, about a 3-foot cable. Here we go. Terminates to the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Up top, we've got we got a hooked connector. Goes around the ear with these two pins. I guess these connect to the actual buds themselves. They're labeled right and left, so that you can clearly see which one goes where. I'm going to assume that the buds are labeled right and left as well. Before I go any further, I want to talk about this cable. It's a nice braided cable. This is the non-mic version. There's also a mic'd version. I don't anticipate using these with, for phone calls, just to listen to audio. So you've got a nice braided cable. It's not very thick. It does seem like it might get tangled if you don't manage it properly, but we'll see during the review. Let's put that to the side for now and see what we have in this bag. I'm going to say these are probably replacement tips, and I am correct. So you get three sets of tips, the ones that are included on the buds, and then you get a larger size and a medium size. Get that plastic off. Okay, so depending on your ear size, you've got buds, tips, replacement tips for your comfort level, with the nice little red accents. That red is nice. I know I'm a red guy. I like the red. There you go. So let's put those to the side, and let's take a look at these earbuds. So these are the buds. Let's check these out. These are nice. They're a metal case. I like the metal casing. Already I'm impressed with the build of these earbuds. My metal casings labeled right and left. You can see that there. There's the right bud. There's the left one. So you can't get them mixed up. These tips are a little bit different. They've got the red accents on the outside of the tip, whereas these have them on the inside of the tips. But that's okay. I like that. Here's where the connectors go. You see that? We're gonna get those in there. Put these together. So far I'm impressed with the build. I like the steel build, but not too bulky. They remind me of the true wireless types of buds that don't have any wires. They just stick right in your ear. But those are nice. Those are sharp. I like that color. That's sure to pop. And let's see what these look like without the. Here we go. Take that off real quick. So yeah, it's basic earphone connection. Not connection, but what do you call that? Speaker stud. Whatever you want to call it. There are your speaker grills right there. Now this is a quad driver earphone, 4 drivers. There's 2 dynamic drivers. Put that back on there. And 2 balanced armature drivers, which is cool for a budget headphone or earphone set to have quad drivers of that design. Here's some of the specs. You got a frequency response of 7 kilohertz to 40,000 hertz, an impedance of 24 ohms, and a sensitivity of 108 decibels. So those are some pretty mighty specs for some $40 headphones. So I'm eager to see how these sound and see how they perform with everyday use in different types of music. Let's see, let me put these together. Left goes to left. So we want to put these in there like that, so that the hook goes over the top of the ear. I got big hands, so these little connectors are going to be a little tricky. Let's see what I can get done. There we go. Not so bad. Fits right in. Pretty strong connection. I like that. Doesn't seem cheap or flimsy. They seem to be really well constructed. So I'm thinking I'm getting a pretty good value already for the price. $40 headphones on Amazon with those kind of specs are very interesting. Okay, I got those in there, so that's what they look like when they are connected to the drivers. So you've got, and I like this because it's not something that you have to, it's not permanent molded. You know, you don't bend it in place and it stays in place. It's flexible. So you put it around your ear to help keep the earphones in place. and it's nothing that's hard or flexible. This is really soft cable, soft sheathing around the hook there. I like that. It's flexible, it's dynamic, it moves. I like that. So these are the TRN V80s out of the box. In the next video, we're going to hook these up to probably the V40, LG V40. And it's not fair to use the V40, I know, because the V40 has a quad DAC, but we're going to turn that quad 32-bit DAC off and just listen to them so they have a good, fair sound review. So here you go, guys. These are the TRN V80s from Amazon, linked below in the description. Part 2 of the video, we're going to take these for a test run, see what they sound like. And you'll get my full review in that video. But until then, thanks for watching. Again, if you like this unboxing, as simple as it was, please like and subscribe with the notification bell one more time so you're notified when we have brand new videos being posted. TRN V80s, guys. I'll let you know how they sound in the next video. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time. Take care.